and the Grasshopper. In a field, one summer's day, a grasshopper was hopping about, chirping and singing to its heart's content. An ant passed by, bearing along with a great toil an ear of corn he was taking to the nest. "Why not come and chat with me?" said the Grasshopper. "Instead of toiling and moiling in that way." "I'm helping to lay down the food for winter," said the ant, "and recommend you should do too." "Why bother about winter?" said the Grasshopper. "We have got plenty of food at present." But the ant went on its way and continued its toil. When the winter came, the Grasshopper found itself dying of hunger. While it saw the ants distributing every day corn and grain from the stores it had collected in the summer. Then the Grasshopper knew it is best to prepare for days of necessity.